Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana Subordinate Court Stenographer 2025 exam. Start. Before entering upon the discussion of issues arising herein, it is well to reiterate the well-accepted proposition that the scope of judicial review in these matters is the same whether it is a writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India or a suit filed in the civil court full stop. To clear the ground for considering the main question arising herein, comma, we may first dispose of the additional ground assigned by the High Court full stop because Balwant Singh, comma, the complainant was not examined. It cannot to be a case of no evidence full stop as stated above, comma, as many as 6 witnesses were examined including 2 officers of the bank who conducted the preliminary inquiry and had recorded the statements of witnesses including Balwant Singh full stop. They spoke to the preliminary inquiry conducted by them and the statement of Balwant Singh recorded by them full stop. Other bank officials were examined to establish that the letter Exhibit P6 addressed to the Tehsildar, Bhatinda was in fact written by and bears the signature of the respondent full stop. Kaur Singh Patwari was also examined full stop. It is on the basis of this evidence that the inquiry officer had come to the conclusion that both the charges were established in spite of non-examination of Balwant Singh full stop. Neither the trial court nor the first appellate court has found that it is a case of no evidence full stop. The additional ground assigned by the High Court is, therefore, unsustainable in law full stop stanza. Now, coming to the main ground upon which the plaintiff's case has been decreed, namely the non-furnishing of the copies of the statements of witnesses and documents, the factual position as found by the appellate court is to the following effect: though a list of documents witnesses was furnished to the respondent before the commencement of the enquiry, the copies of the documents and statements recorded during the preliminary enquiry were not supplied to the respondent full stop half an hour before the commencement of the enquiry proceedings. Statements of witnesses which he did full stop. Balwant Singh was not examined at the regular enquiry full stop. The other witness who was examined during the preliminary enquiry, Kaur Singh Patwari, was examined at the regular enquiry full stop. The question is whether on the above facts, it can be held that there is a violation of regulation 68 and whether the violation, if any, vitiates the enquiry full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आप लोगों को डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा। and must subscribe our channel for more dictations on general, legal and editorial basis. Thanks to all. Be practiced for a better future.